Hello everyone, you're welcome back, and this is week 3, and we're talking about advertising and PR research, MCM 318. And this week 3 we're going to be talking about secondary data and research. And the first thing we'll be looking at is that secondary data is less costly, it is less time consuming than conducting primary research because it uses the information that can be accessed either internally from the firm or externally from bibliographic databases. Another thing is that secondary research has so many uses. One of the uses is that it is a key source of background information that can be included in both the RFP and final research product. Secondary data is helpful for researchers to seek to identify consumer trends and in the industry. It is also useful. It is also a data instrument in estimating demand and can be highly beneficial when defining and selecting target markets, trade areas, and locations. And finally, it is very helpful in data mining efforts, because as marketers, we seek to discover patterns and trends in data files. And the third thing we're looking at is while past marketing decisions provide information that are helpful when developing new campaigns, sales data are one of the most useful forms of internal information if collected and stored correctly. So it can be used for further research. And another thing we should look at is like open access sources of data, secondary data, includes government sources, blogs, social media, Twitter, web analytics, and independent website that can give us clue and positive results about the data we need to carry out our secondary research. And finally, another thing we look at is that bibliographic databases are the primary source of published information for libraries, which are very useful as they've been gathered and stored properly for us to get the real information. And finally, when we look at the syndicated data firms, collect high quality data by product category, industry, media, or consumer market and sell it to data subscribers, which means that the added time savings and high quality of the data makes syndicated information a strong choice for many marketers because it was collected directly from the source of people that use it, the consumer, so it can be used to analyze the market and get our target audience. When talking about my reaction to this chapter of secondary research, I know that secondary research is more affordable, which is very good for marketers. It has a lot of helpful. Secondary research is helpful. It is both useful for internal information for marketing databases, and another thing is that web analytics provide valuable information regarding consumer behavior in response to online ads, and bibliographies are also essential to research. And finally, I said that marketers, they use secondary research data to form their basis of the findings for their research and know that successful with the planning of getting customers in market by employing all the necessary details of secondary research. It is a great way as a student to learn to gather data for research purposes. So now I know I can use government sources, I can use blogs, I can use social media, Twitter to get my data for me to make a research. And so I've learned some keywords in the chapter. I've learned about accounting databases, I've learned about bibliographic databases, I've learned about data mining, geocoding, primary research, search engine optimization, secondary data, and syndicate research service, which are very useful. I've added knowledge for this topic, the secondary data and research. So I bring you more topic on this research. Dwell on this and understand it before I bring more topic next week. Thank you and bye.